can't really see. That whole cloud is turning right there. But you can't pick.
Texas, Colorado.
There's the center.
Yeah.
All those clouds are being drawn in.
Dude, that cloud's low.
Yeah, that cloud is really only a couple hundred feet up.